Do you want to learn Pinterest marketing? Well, here's 7 best Pinterest marketing courses online, free, plus paid. First course, Pinterest Marketing for Business Growth, updated by Udemy. This course is for all levels. The best thing about this course is that it increases sales not only for today, but for years to come. It's the best-selling course since 2015. Topics covered in this course are: preparing your Pinterest strategy. Optimize your Pinterest strategy. Pinterest basic, board idea, create, optimize, pin, with a purpose. Pinterest business contests. After getting enrolled, you will learn the 4-step Pinterest marketing framework. You will learn how to optimize your Pinterest account. You will learn how to use Pinterest to figure out what your customers want. You will learn how to use keywords to increase Pinterest traffic to your website. It will guide you in performing creative collaboration with peers, current customers, and new ones. You will know how to use tools, templates, and applications for gaining serious momentum. This course is for all levels, including the ones who enjoy learning new ways to grow and for action takers. Second course, Pinterest Marketing Decoded by Udemy. This course is for all levels. Its goal is to master the art of Pinterest marketing. Topics covered in this course are: the platform, quality is key, congruency, visual real estate masters, an attractive pin, the anatomy, reverse engineering hack, pin automation. This course will help you get an overview of Pinterest. You can learn how to exploit the popularity of Pinterest. Under this course you will learn successful Pinterest campaigns. You will learn how viral marketing works with Pinterest. You will learn how to prepare quick start ideas. This course is for all levels, the ones who have just started Pinterest marketing, for e-commerce sellers, bloggers, affiliate marketers, and social entrepreneurs. Third course, Pinterest Marketing Mastery by Udemy. This course is for all levels. It focuses on fast traffic that converts. Topics covered in this course are: the Pinterest platform, quality is key, creating a funnel. Size of your image matters a lot, eye-catching pin, the blueprint, finding trending pins, best tools to automate pins. This course will help you to understand how to use Pinterest to get traffic that converts. You will learn ways to create high-quality image. You will learn how to create a funnel that generates traffic. You will learn ways to discover a secret image and shape type that converts the best. You will learn how to use tools to create attractive pins. This course is for all levels, including the ones who want to build an audience for affiliate marketers and online shop owners. Fourth course, a complete Pinterest marketing guide for creatives by Udemy. This course is for all beginners. The best thing about this course is that it directs how to grow business and provides done-for-you Pinterest templates. Topics covered in this course are: Pinterest Foundation. Learn how to take Pinterest to the next level, create a winning profile, clarifying your target audience, creating killer images using Canva, brand aesthetics, creating a more enticing and attractive profile, hacks for growth. Wrapping up the course. After getting enrolled, you will learn foundations for success with Pinterest. You will learn how to create pin descriptions. You will learn best SEO for Pinterest. You will learn how to use boards and SEO to grow traffic. You will learn keyword research and planning your content. You will get free creative, done-for-you Pinterest templates. This course is for beginners who want to get started with their marketing strategies. Fifth course, Getting Started with Pinterest by Coursera. This course is offered by Coursera Project Network. This course is for beginners in creative industries. Topics covered in this course are: setting up and customizing an account, searching for opening and saving pins, using and creating boards on Pinterest, organizing pins, sharing boards, and creating new pins. This course will help you in learning ways to set up an account. You can learn by customizing and editing your profile. You will learn to create and share boards and pins. You can also develop skills like project portfolio management, research, and Pinterest. To know about social media marketing, click the I button. Sixth course, Introduction to Pinterest Marketing by SkillUp. This free Pinterest marketing program course is from SkillUp for all beginners. This course is about the basics of Pinterest and how to use this tool for effective outreach. This program will give you clarity regarding boards and pins. Topics covered in this course are: understanding Pinterest, Pinterest presence, marketing with Pinterest, putting Pinterest to work, Pinterest for pitching and outreach, walkthroughs, In this course you will learn basics of Pinterest, you will learn how to create a Pinterest board, you will learn moving pins, you will also learn creating and uploading great pin images. To know about Instagram marketing, click the I button. 7th course, Pinterest Advertising and Pinterest Marketing by Surfside YouTube. This free Pinterest marketing course is framed by Surfside, which you can access through YouTube. Topics covered in this course are scheduling Pinterest pins and driving traffic, Pinterest ads, audience insights, and analytics tutorial, confirming your website. You will learn about the basics of Pinterest, you can learn how to create boards and adjust pins, you will learn about Pinterest advertising. Links of all courses are given in the description box. Subscribe and click on bell icon so you can get updated more on the online courses. Thanks for watching.